maybe you have a weekly or a monthly management meeting. It's theoretically possible that you come into the meeting, you sit down with everyone in front of their StratNavApp, and StratNavApp is looking at what's happening in the organization and saying, the thing that most needs your attention now is this, and here's the problem. And so that people are then drawn in with, as you say, all the information a couple of clicks away to say, how are we responding to this issue or opportunity or challenge? And it almost sort of management by exception, because the software understands how all the bits fit together. And really what it's looking for is an anomaly.
We're very close to that.
I think at the moment, it still requires someone who knows the system quite well to really do that. But we will get better at that.
I think there's something about the care that bringing this into the next meeting is, I mean, I think it is a good practice, and it can be optional and so forth. But I take the point about having agentic AI that will kind of go out and search out the problem and say, we need to be focusing on this. And I think that will work, and more connectors will be built out. And I've been working recently with CEOs and VPs of major organizations, global organizations, who are just taken aback by how powerful it is and the capability it delivers, because we've built out organizations using it. So it's very tangible. And it's, again, I go back to the view that it's down to, I think, and it's a realization that it's something that consultants, if they're serious, need to be involved with. And I also know that a lot of strategists probably won't, because they're used to PowerPoint and Excel, and that's kind of the way they do around here. And there's this legacy. And I think why I found it so compelling and find it so compelling is I came into this without any preconceptions. I came into this from a highly technical background, a very high performance background, and went, you're kidding me. I've got MS365, which kind of talks to all elements of itself, but strategy I have to do on a PowerPoint or Excel. Yeah, I can do that, but there must be something else. And this is where the difference is. But I think there'll be those consultants who are delivering value from StratNavApp. And I believe it gives a material competitive advantage to the consultants, but more importantly, gives a very, very significant competitive advantage to their clients.